अच्छे अच्छों के छुड़ा दे छक्के, ये क्रिकेटर हैं दोनों पक्के। बल्ले से करती हैं बात, चेक मेट शह और मात। लड़की कहकर ना बनाना बहाना। इन द हाउस टुडे जेमिमा रॉड्रिग्स एंड स्मृति मांधाना। म्यूचुअल फंड सही है प्रेजेंट्स बैट एंड बॉल। जेमी जाओ बैट उठा के लाओ।
I'll confession, इसको ऐसे जाओ काम करो ना तो कुछ नहीं होता। Then we please Gems please Gems.
You didn't call स्मृति दीदी?
No, she was very disappointed.
कि यार मुझे दी नहीं बुला रही यार, क्या है यार, अभी मैं बुढ़ी लगती हूँ खुद को, एक्चुअली हूँ नहीं, अगर 24 हूँ बट
Sorry, अभी
You're 24, I'm 42, उल्टा करके आता है मेरा नंबर। थैंक यू सो मच गर्ल्स। बैट और बॉल में आपका स्वागत है, मतलब बैठेंगे और बातें करेंगे। सो टू फ्रेंड्स स्मृति एंड जेमिमा।
who said she's my friend? Wait a minute.
मुझे बताया
that's a wrong statement.
Wrong information. Enemy.
बिल्कुल नहीं, दुश्मन है हम लोग।
स्मृति आपकी दोस्त नहीं है या फिर आप स्मृति के दोस्त नहीं है, मतलब which way is it actually?
स्मृति मेरी दोस्त है पर मैं उसकी दोस्त नहीं हूँ।
मार्च 2020 नहीं, मार्च नहीं एक्चुअली, कब था अपना फाइनल? इट वाज फेब 2020।
मार्च 8 मार्च विमेंस डे।
जब
मुझे याद रहता है विमेंस डे की वजह से।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, ओके। नहीं मैंने भी कवर किया था मैच। वी वर ऑब्वियसली सिटिंग इन मुंबई वाचिंग कि एक पूरा मेलबर्न क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पूरा भरा हुआ है। वी वर ऑल वेरी एक्साइटेड। पहले बैटिंग करना was very important। क्या मतलब पिच तो बिल्कुल फ्लैट थी। Did it really matter? क्योंकि बहुत रन बना दिए थे उन्होंने यहाँ बैटिंग करके।
बहुत ही वन साइडेड मैच थी कि हम लोग लाइक वी वर नोवेयर क्लोज, तो अभी हम ऐसे बोल नहीं सकते कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, बट अदरवाइज ऑल्सो लाइक इतना डिपेंडेंट नहीं था क्योंकि विकेट तो सेम ही रहने वाली थी दोनों टाइम। सिर्फ ये होता है कि आप चेस करते हो, थोड़ा फाइनल का प्रेशर रहता है, बट लाइक वो एक्चुअली जैसे हीली आई और हीली जैसे मारने लगी, आई थिंक तभी से हमारा थोड़ा सा लाइक मोमेंटम छूट गया और उसके बाद से लाइक वी नेवर केम बैक इन द मैच। आई थिंक वही एक चीज था।
That day Australia dominated completely. I mean, we can't take any credit away from them. The way they played in everything, like they stuck to their plans, they executed their plans so well. And the start they got they just showed that it was clear intention. It was clear what were their intentions.
अच्छा एक बात होता है ना, मतलब हम ना ये मतलब बहुत बार वो बातें करते रहते हैं कि नाउ इज द टाइम फॉर द विमेंस आईपीएल। भैया देखिए विमेंस आईपीएल होनी चाहिए। क्या इंडिया में इतनी लड़कियां हैं क्रिकेट खेलने वाली इस स्तर पे कि सिर्फ 4 टीम आईपीएल विद 4 ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स, 4 और 5 इन एवरी टीम? विल इट बी अ कंपेटिटिव टूर्नामेंट? क्योंकि कंपेटिटिव होना पड़ेगा, पहला जो है वो सबसे अच्छा होना चाहिए।
That is true. I honestly feel it will be competitive and we have a lot of girls. See, there are so many people whom nobody really know in the domestic circuit who are also doing well. So, this will be like a huge opportunity for them also and also for our Indian team management to get players players coming out. If you see even in the men's game, like so many people have benefited from the IPL and not just that come in the Indian team from the IPL, like just with Bumrah and all.
Smriti, you were the captain of the one of the three sides, no, last time?
The side which lost, you mean?
हाँ, वही मैं पूछने वाला था, क्या हो गया
correct,
था?
sorry.
But who had won the finals? They lost against us. So
But
they
who
got
lifts
saved
the trophy
actually.
is
That
the
we didn't
winner at the
qualify.
end?
That's why they.
Who
That's
lifts
why
the
they won it.
trophy at the end is the winner.
Otherwise,
You can't
no
argue.
chance.
You can't
No
give
chance.
excuses.
नहीं एक्चुअली ऑन अ सीरियस नोट अगर देखा जाए तो जितने लड़कों की टीम्स है रणजी ट्रॉफी या स्टेट लेवल सेम टीम्स उतनी लड़कियों की भी है तो आई डोंट मतलब जब ये चीज होती है कि लड़कियां है ही नहीं और यू नो तो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ दैट हैपेंस बिकॉज अगर आप सेम स्टेट टीम्स है तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर दैट मेनी गर्ल्स प्लेइंग एज वेल अभी आप अगर मेंस का भी फर्स्ट ईयर आप देखोगे एंड अभी का लाइक लास्ट ईयर का आई वाज जस्ट वाचिंग हाइलाइट इट्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस इन द टर्म्स ऑफ फील्डिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स फिटनेस स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ कोर्स वुमेन्स क्रिकेट आल्सो इट विल इंप्रूव बट आई थिंक अगर सिर्फ अपन सोच के रखे कि मतलब वी डोंट हैव ओनली आई डोंट थिंक वी आर गिविंग अ स्कोप आल्सो टू इंप्रूव तो एटलीस्ट एक चांस तो देना चाहिए उसको इंप्रूव करने के लिए
You're absolutely right. 10-12 साल पहले तो मतलब मैं खेल गया था आईपीएल. I mean, obviously standards have changed. I mean, वो डिफेंस करने वाला भी खेल जाते थे पहले. अब नहीं खिलाता कोई. अब नहीं खिलाता. जैसे जेमी जब शुरू किया था खेलना तो जेमी की शॉट्स में उतनी पावर नहीं थी तो लेकिन अब तो वो पावरफुल प्लेयर भी हो गई है. So that's why she gets those overseas league का वो gigs भी हैं. तो मतलब आप दोनों अब तो दोनों बाहर जा रहे हो ना तो क्या क्या सीखने को मिल रहा है वहाँ के ड्रेसिंग रूम से व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली इंटरैक्टिंग यू आर प्लेइंग एज अ प्रोफेशनल थोड़ा सा व्यू पॉइंट लोगों का चेंज हो जाता है.
So yeah, I had played the Kia Super League and few months earlier, Smriti had told me like Jemmy, this Kia Super League is there. I mean, it will be a different experience and all that. Like it will be like not that easy to gel up like how you do normally in India with your teammates and all. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है देखते. I didn't take her that seriously because I am a person who's like really friendly and you know who gels up quite easily.
And you don't take it seriously. ये मैं
हाँ that is the fact. That is the first most important thing.
Is it? हाँ बेटा तो अब यार.
हाँ you didn't take so you didn't take Smriti seriously आगे.
No, but she told me you're going to enjoy batting over there. So that I took her very, very seriously.
अच्छी बात है वो सारी सीख लेते हो जो थोड़ी दूसरी बात होती है.
Yeah. So then, like it was first time all alone I traveled to UK and it was a good experience traveling alone and also. But you know, staying over there in UK alone by myself, I've learned so much because I am someone who cannot sit quietly, but I think this was the first time Smriti has ever seen Jemmy so quiet, and she was the happiest, I believe, at that time.
सही है.
And when I was going to meet her, I was like, Jemmy, don't jump on me, okay? Like, hug करके I was like, excitement में don't jump on me. Then वो 1 घंटा बात ही नहीं करी तो I was like, क्या हो गया यार जेमी को पागल हो गई है बेचारी मेरी छोटी बहन पागल हो गई है. I was like,
as a girl growing up और आज की बात नहीं आज से 10 साल पहले भी चले जाते हैं जहाँ पे आप शुरू कर रहे हो क्रिकेट खेलना इंडिया में आपको पता होता है आप देखते हो कुछ स्टार्स को आप अंजुम को देखते हो मिथाली को देखते हो पर आपको ये भी पता होता है कि यार बहुत कम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं. इतना नहीं है कि बराबर की क्रिकेट चलती है हम कितनी भी क्वालिटी करते रहे है नहीं. सच्चाई है ये कि 15 साल से आईपीएल चल रहा है अभी तक नहीं हुआ है आईपीएल विमेंस का. तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट डोंट हैपन. 8 साल तक शायद टेस्ट मैच नहीं हुआ था एक भी टेस्ट नहीं खेला था इंडिया. सो व्हेन ग्रोइंग अप was it because कि चलो भाई खेल रहा चलो खेलते रहते हैं and that's how the love started and made it easier वरना मुश्किल है आज की डेट में भी.
आज की डेट में आई डोंट थिंक उतना मुश्किल है क्योंकि क्रिकेट विमेंस क्रिकेट टीवी पे काफी विजिबल है अभी and especially I think at least 70-80% people in India know that there's a Indian women's cricket team and like we have been in the finals. Okay, शायद players के सारे players के नाम नहीं पता रहेंगे, शायद ये रहेगा, but they know that we have played the 2017 finals. We have played, I would say 60 to 70% people. But back then, I think 10 years back, like even when I had to start, I just said it's just like I used to just love batting. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मतलब क्रिकेट खेलना है, अगर मैं बड़ी होके खेलूंगी तो लड़कों की टीम से खेलूंगी, लड़कियों की. I like we didn't know anything.
No, you didn't think about that.
Yeah, that's what I just went and I just played. Like मुझे पता ही नहीं था. Like all I knew was like to play. Like तो बैटिंग करना पसंद था.
करेक्ट है, क्योंकि ऐसी आप जब प्रैक्टिस करने जाते हो तो वो तो मेंस एकेडमी होती है ना. कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि हम उनकी एकेडमी में जाके प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि एक विमेन एकेडमी है, चलो यार वहाँ जाते हैं अपने, इफ माय डॉटर वांट्स टू प्ले क्रिकेट आई कांट टेक हर टू अ विमेन्स एकेडमी, कैन आई?
No, at that time when we started, it wasn't there. As Smriti also said, even I didn't know that women's cricket actually existed. We just played for the joy of playing the sport, looking at our brothers, and then I used to go for practice also with my brothers in a boys' nets. Like I was the only girl, and like they used to tease and all that. So no boy used to even come and talk to me because they didn't want to be teased by a girl, like with the name. So it used to always be like that. But now over the years, like women's cricket has developed a lot, especially after the 2017 World Cup. I mean, after that, I also saw a lot of change in women's cricket, and now there are actually so many academies only for women, where you can actually go and take your daughter. And the best part of it is that parents have become open-minded, because when we started, my dad was fine, my dad was supportive, but I know so many people who really wanted to play the sport, but their parents weren't supportive. So but now the minds have changed. People have started watching us on TV, people have started recognizing, okay, not just Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar, but also like Mithali Raj, Smriti, Jhulan Goswami, like that. So all this has changed over the years, and it's all credit goes to the kind of cricket the girls have played over the years. Even Mithudi and Juludi, they used to keep performing and scoring when nobody even knew and noticed. It's like they set the foundation for us, and we are like enjoying the fruits of it. स्मृति, सॉरी, थोड़ी तारीफ हो गई तेरी. Shit. I'm
मुझे
disappointed.
पच नहीं रहा है, वही मैं सोच रही हूँ पच ऐसा अलग सा क्यों लग रहा था.
You guys do double trouble, उसके बारे में बात करूंगा. वैसे वो कैसे शुरू हुआ, मतलब तुम डबल ट्रबल, मतलब स्मृति आर यू ट्रबल और
No, she's the trouble. Come on, मेरी शक्ल दिखती है trouble
I am
वाली.
the trouble, but she's the double.
जो जमी पहली बार जब मुझे देखी तब पूछती है क्या आप नहीं you watch movie also. Like I was like क्या मैं मतलब कौन सी संन्यास लेके बैठी हुई हूँ, सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेलने आई हूँ.
And she gave me the dirtiest stare ever. She's like as if I did some big crime. She's like, what do you mean? I watch movies also.
वो जेमी बताती है कि Rose, you need to post something. It's not happening. Is that correct?
Yeah, till now it's happening. I like after a few, I'm like, Smriti, from long time you not post something. And Smriti send me pictures. Like, Jemmy, tell me, okay, which one from this? And on top of that, Jemsu, listen, no Jemsu. Give me caption, na, please. Yeah, please give me caption.
Jemmy,
I know,
start
I'm
charging.
helping you.
Jemmy, I'm telling you,
And the
start
worst
charging
thing
for this.
is, and the
I
worst
told
thing
her.
is,
I told her, stop paying your manager, start paying me.
Exactly.
I told her
हाँ,
everything.
tell me
Your
worst-
like
worst.
बहन का तो सब कुछ होता है ना, मैं तो बोलती हूँ ले ले जो. She doesn't ask for
she's
anything.
given me her credit card also.
Hot
But I'm
I'm not
good.
giving you bro. कुछ भी.
Good bro.
And you said सब कुछ you said just now.
एक बात बताओ जेमी, वैसे बिटवीन यू एंड मी, स्मृति इज नॉट लिसनिंग, जो भी आपको कह रहे हैं ना कि मेरा सब कुछ आपका है, आई टेल यू, यू नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग.
I know.
What I know, Jemmy.
तो स्मृति मानधना को आप कितनी अच्छी तरह से जानती है. जेमी, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछने वाला हूँ. व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट फूड?
Favorite food, chili paneer. I suppose it's chili chicken. Chili paneer or bhel.
Jemmy,
Bhel.
how?
Or pizza. But I was right. In chili
Bhel,
paneer
yeah.
also. But chili paneer is also your favorite, na?
Yeah, it is.
And
But
even
Bhel is like all time, na, Gems, you know that.
when in that ICC interview they had asked, what is your favorite snack? What did you say? I said bhel, you said pizza. Now what to
अभी
do?
उस टाइम मुझे पिज़्ज़ा सूझा.
Shut up. Nonsense, you only don't know.
What's Jemmy's favorite food, Smriti?
Chili chicken.
ये तो ठीक नहीं, चिली चिकन तो नहीं है actually. नहीं है, नहीं है. क्रिस्पी चिकन है.
हाँ,
क्रिस्पी
crispy.
चिकन.
हाँ यार एक ही है, और चिली चिकन एक ही होता है.
नहीं, minus
Yeah,
one.
Jemmy, I know you जानबूझ के change it from chili
वो
to
नहीं गलत
crispy.
होता.
I promise I didn't do that on purpose.
Favorite holiday destination, Smriti?
New Zealand. I don't know already. New Zealand.
Okay, so you said New Zealand, but that's actually correct. So you know Jemmy. Jemmy, what's Smriti's favorite?
Same है ना? Same है पता है.
Because we actually
We had this
a
discussion
good
so many
time.
times.
No, we had a very good time when we went to New Zealand for that tour. So that's why we love that place.
It's a beautiful country. Favorite ground for Jemmy, Smriti.
Wankhede.
Easy. For Smriti, Jemmy.
I am very doubtful. I don't know if it's Chinnaswamy.
No.
Bro,
somewhere in
no,
Australia.
Last time you said Chinnaswamy, I said I've never scored there.
Ha, I know. You told me. I forgot. Somewhere in Australia, I think.
Somewhere Australia has like 7 grounds. Somewhere Australia क्या
I
होता है?
don't know.
That
I
is
don't
yeah,
follow
which
you like
okay,
that.
which Big Bash team did I play last time for?
Hobart.
Favorite movie?
I don't know Jenny's favorite movie.
अरे क्यों?
Oh.
You claim to know her so well.
No.
English, Hindi. Are that Inside Out?
Ah.
Don't tell me.
That is one. I had given 2 options. One in Hindi, one in English.
Okay, Inside Out is English. Oh yes.
Fantastic, Smriti. अच्छा, what's Smriti's favorite movie?
It will either be 3 Idiots or Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. 3 Idiots.
Well done, yaar. Well done. You guys
Actually,
are
mine was also 3 Idiots.
Huh?
3 Idiots. I knew. I understood
Yeah.
yours also.
I have Chak De India, 3 Idiots, and okay, fine.
Ah,
Nobody's
Chak De India.
interested.
So I
yeah.
forgot only.
So what's your favorite pastime? So Smriti का favorite pastime क्या होगा, Jemmy?
Sleeping.
Easy.
And Jemmy का favorite क्या होएगा?
Does she want?
Jamie ka,
I
I
don't know.
don't
She'll get.
Playing guitar?
I said something else.
Smriti? Yes? No? Done? Time over?
No, with Netflix, watching something on
No, no, no,
Netflix
no,
or
no.
Amazon.
So it's something related to
She
you
wants to be
guys.
with you, chilling with friends.
Acha. That's not past. I'm like,
That
that's
is-
not pastime, yeah.
Pastime?
Playing guitar is perfect for Jamie. I don't
Okay,
think
fine.
yours is pastime. Is like, of course, I also love being with friends.
Ha, so
Actually, that qualifies. If sleeping can
it can
qualify as
be.
pastime,
Yeah, exactly. What
I
is
like-
sleeping past? Exactly.
Sleeping
Wow,
is like you're
Sabrina.
passing.
No, no,
I
no,
don't
no,
think.
no, no, no.
So what's Jemmy's favorite musician? Smriti?
English. What have you given Jamie?
No, Hindi,
बड़ा
Hindi.
difficult है।
Hindi.
हिंदी
Arijit.
मुझे पता है नाम मेरे को पहली बार नाम
Smriti.
भी नहीं पता मुझे
No?
मेरे को
Zubin.
Ha.
Zubin, Zubin,
Minus
Zubin.
point. Minus point.
Zubin.
She
yeah,
got it
Zubin
wrong.
not yet. No, no.
and
Mine is very favorite. Easy, yaar.
you've already answered hers.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, अरिजीत से बड़ा easy है यार अच्छा okay guys why the show and what was the fun all about like why who conceptualized it कि जेमी ने कहा कि मुझे बात करनी है और नहीं मिल रहा है कोई तो चलो शो कर लेते हैं
Surprisingly, it wasn't me this time. It was Smriti who called me.
Really?
And Smriti was the one who was like, चल जब ये show करते हैं and all that.
Oh.
Wow, Smriti को क्या हो गया? So I was like, fine. Then she's like, anyway, in the lockdown, we're not doing anything. And it'll be really fun where, you know, 2 athletes actually, interview other athletes. Never happened before. And it'll be fun. And then we both are there, na? Something or the other we'll do. Bakwas we'll do.
And Shami Bhaiya loves whenever he sees the king pitch, वो और थोड़ा ज्यादा बिरयानी खा के आता है.
पाकिस्तान से पहला मैच था हमारा शायद, तो मैं जब वॉक कर रहा था नीचे तो कोई पता नहीं मुझे किसने आया, तू तो 15 रन बना के आ जाएगा आज फिर ये वो, तो दैट्स हाउ इट इज एंड आई वाज लाइक बट देन आई वेंट दैट्स गुड 79 and I was happy and then वापस आओ तो वही लोग तालियां मार रहे हैं आपके लिए.
I was thinking to do something but I didn't know what to do. So then I called up my our both manager to do it and I was like यार कुछ करते यार मतलब I don't know something related to it. Then he also came up with this idea and then we both spoke. Then he said कि why don't you and Jemmy, I have seen you guys का bond, it would be so fun to see you guys like you guys say some story. Then we sat, then we did a meeting. Then I called Jemmy. Jemmy जैसे हम मतलब Jemmy का मैंने granted ले लिया था उसको, उनको बोल दिया था हाँ Jemmy is not a problem.
Even before speaking to me, I'm like हद है. Righty batter.
Left-handed batter.
Chicken lollipop.
Paneer chili dry.
Hate sleeping.
I love sleeping.
Hate cooking.
I love cooking.
Jubin Nautiyal.
Arjit Singh.
Money heist.
Doraemon.
Full on energy.
Totally calm.
But together, we are double trouble.
A message to young upcoming budding girls. मेरी बेटी भी 7 साल की है, अभी बैडमिंटन खेल सकती है, खेलती है, हो सकता है क्रिकेट खेलने लग जाए, उसका पता नहीं चलता कुछ.
I would just say like if you have a dream and you have a passion for something, like just do whatever it takes, man, to go and get there, because you know it may be difficult at times, but you know when you stand there living your dream, I think there's no better feeling than that. And above all, I just want to say that just enjoy whatever you do.
So for a girl who wants to play any sport or I think follow any passion, not only sport, I think you have the opportunity, you can make a career out of it and you can be an independent girl.
Fantastic.
This is my new clap. This is my new clap.
All right, thank you so much, girls. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for having us.
The सही है moment of the episode.
No, but she told me you're going to enjoy batting over there, so that I took her very very seriously.
अच्छी बात है, वो सारी चीजें लेते हो जो थोड़ी दूसरी बात होती है.
Yeah. So then, like it was first time all alone I traveled to UK, and it was a good experience traveling alone and also. But you know, staying over there in UK alone by myself, I have learned so much because I am someone who cannot sit quietly. But I think this was the first time Smriti has ever seen Jemmy so quiet, and she was the happiest, I believe, at that time.
सही है.